Hi guys! Ayan, end ng halfway pala kami. This is our 5th day, I think, no? Dito sa UK. And today, empake. Ito na yung gamit namin mag-asawa. Going to Scotland. Ito yung hotel namin. Hotel, thank you for the days. Ninalagaan mo kami here. And dito sa Double Tree. So ayan, medyo magulo na syempre. Hindi ko na binideo or hotel tour or what, kasi lahat naman ginagawa na yung hotel tour eh. Pero malinis na. Mga kalat namin, basura, niligpit ko yung basura. Oh, meron pang ano. So as courtesy, kahit may mga cleaners, yung mga basura nyo, pag magstay sa hotel, iwan nyo sa isang bag para mabilis yung turnover. Kung meron kayong kasunod na magche-check-in. At the same time, yun din yung way to double check kung may naiwan ba kayong gamit or wala. Yan, di ba? Nakatulong na kayo, ni-remind pa kayo kung may naiwan or wala. Di ba? Yan. Double checking, double check lahat. Mas mahirap yung may iwan. Yan. Sa banyo, double check. So yan na rin yung room, kung merong room tour. Malinis dito sa Double Tree by Hilton in Tower Hill. May mga towels, ganon. May mga soap naman. May water, everyday nire-refill. Tapos you don't need to remind them to as a housekeeping. Pag nakita nila walang tao, kumatok sila or something, walang sumasagot, they will automatically clean your room, yung fix yung bed, i-refill yun. They'll make sure din yung banyo, for example, may tissue, at ayun. Tapos hindi ka mawala ng gamit, i-check nila, i-check mo, kahit i-double check mo or what, or maglagay ka ng note, babantayan nila kung ano yung note na iniwan mo. Siyempre, tapon lahat ng basura. Yan. Okay. Whew. Wala na iwan. So, I'll check out now. It's only 11 a.m. but I need to go to Borough Market. And may pupuntahan akong isang cemetery dito sa likod lang ng hotel. Nakalimutan kong puntahan. Pero open na siya ngayon. I'll go there lang quick. And then after that, pupunta na ako ng King's Cross. Okay, sige. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ikot tayo. Today is just a vlog, ikot lang tayo kasi after this, we'll go to Scotland na. Alright, later. Sige, babush. Balik muna ako, pasyal muna ako. Okay, great. We checked out already. And, ayun na, okay na. Next year, we'll go back next year. Matinding ipunan. Mag-iipon na ako pambawi sa ginastos namin here. Mag-iipon na dito ako para sa gagastos namin next year sa balik namin dito sa UK. To be honest nga, paulit-ulit ko lang sinasabi, ang dami pang dapat i-explore dito. Gagawin natin yan. Kasi minsan lang tayo mabuhay, diba? We only live once, so might as well explore what can be explored. And UK is one of the, I would say, a lot of things you can learn when traveling here. So I'm here ngayon sa St. Olaves Church. I want to visit it. Let's check what's inside. Siguro need to keep in silent. I'll just pray muna dito sa church na to, and then ikot tayo ng konti, and then I'll go to Borough Market. Just need to pray. thinking kung should I go down the crypt or do I... Sige, I think I should visit the crypt. Interesting. This is an interesting church. So later I'll read more about this. Saint Olaf. Let's check. So I'll go down. Go down the crypt. Tobias Wall died July 5, 1754 at age 58. And of Mary, yung wife niya, died 25th of March 1729, age 30. So I'll go inside. Let's see what's inside the crypt. Watch your head. So it's a small chapel with a well. Saint Olaf. So si Saint Olaf ay Saint Olaf is a patron saint of Norway. He helped King Ethelred to defeat the Danes noong unang panahon. Siguro Viking days yan. Ibasahin pa natin yung mga further information about Saint Olaf later on our way to Scotland. But anyway, ganda oh. Well, I'm not sure if these are the actual walls, but it seems like it. Medyo mababa nga yung ceiling niya, but yan siya. Okay, thank you for allowing me to visit this crypt. So in this crypt, I think there's a well. I think some people are buried here. Hindi ko kasi maintindihan yung ibang nakasulat because it's in a I'm not sure if this is Latin or I don't know kung ano, Welsh, I don't know, or Norwegian. But I cannot understand. See? So, it's written in different language, not in English.
A few moments later.
Oro Market. Medyo mahaba yung pila sa donuts, but yeah, let's buy two. 2 raspberry. Yes. Marami silang bread here. Bango. So, kahit sinisipon ako, amoy ko pa rin. Where? The sausage roll. Medyo amazing race ngayon kasi nag-aabot tayo yung oras. Yeah, dito yung sausage roll. Haba yung pila, sausage roll. But there's always enough food for everyone. So isa itong ginger pig sa mga sikat na sausage roll here in Borough Market. Ito na yung lunch namin together with the donuts, and bili ako ng strawberries. We're on queue to buy the sausage roll. Right? 2 sausage rolls please. Thank you. I think there's a line.
How many one? Thank you very much, guys. How many?
Come this side, guys. Come this side. Cash.
Moving down, please, guys.
Yes. I see.
You can go around, guys, please. Can you come closer, guys,
Come
please?
this side. Yeah, come further. Yeah. Go around, guys, please.
Alright, thank you. Sorry. So it's okay, sorry.
How many for you?
Just one. Thank you.
Thanks,
Sorry. Okay, mission accomplished. Need to go out na. Dami tao. So we turn around. We do shortcuts. Got it. Balik lang hotel. Bigat. On my way to King's Cross Station. So medyo mabigat lang yung bag. Kasi oops. Yan. Bigat yung bag. Ito yung buong Scotland bag namin. And may backpack. Then may food pa. Bit-bit. So may meet ko yung wife ko sa King's Cross Station. 5 stops from here. And then we leave for Scotland 1 p.m. Hopefully I'll be there on time. And I think so. It will just take me 23 minutes and I still have 30 minutes before 1 o'clock. Then we'll eat on our way to Scotland. Okay, I need to check our tickets. I'm not sure if my wife gave it to me. And yeah. Alright. Here we go, Scotland. I think this train will leave at 12:30. Okay, hopefully I'll make it later. Alright, I'm here sa King's Cross Station sa St. Pancras. So King Cross actually is a it's like a station for national. It's a national train station if you're going somewhere else in the UK, going to Scotland, if you're going to Wales or Aberdeen, up north, Edinburgh. Basta within UK, you go to King's Cross Station. This is a train station. Siguro mga more or less 4 to 5 hour trip. Medyo mahaba yung biyahe, but ang plano ko while nagbabiyahe, I create scripts, I will edit videos kung may wifi, but definitely boys and girls, we're here Scotland, Edinburgh. Akarating lang ng train, so hindi ko na video yung train kanina. Kasi maliit lang naman yung space. Pero we're here na. And yeah, nice place. Ito yung Edinburgh Waverley Station. This is the main station dito sa Scotland. So kailangan lang namin mag-exit. Yeah. Diba yung vibe here? Medyo iba yung vibe. Tapos pinagpa-piano sa likod ko. Piano siya. So, since kakarating na namin, medyo relax and easy. Siguro mamaya. Kasi we'll prepare for a long trip tomorrow. Going to Inverness, Loch Ness. Bucket list na check. Kasi sa Scotland sa mga gusto ko puntahan lugar. Because of history. Tahimik. Later, konting ikot-ikot lang mamaya pagdating namin. Siguro. Just to see the video, makita natin kung ano yung itsura. Yun, bukas mas marami yung pupuntahan.
Okay, bye-bye.
So we're here. Yan na, sa may parang masarap ng coffee, Bohemia. So mga ano tayo, mga 6:30 na pero mataas pa rin yung araw. Yung mataas pero maliwanag pa rin. Parang 5 PM sa atin sa Pilipinas, yung kanila 6:30 dito. Interesting. Parang may castle or something here. Hindi ko alam kung na meron, pero may brewery, beer, and coffee sa baba. I think more same interesting So guys, this is Scotland so far. Yan. So right now, we just bought something for my mother. And this is Scotland. Ay, ito po. So, ayan. We'll go muna sa Airbnb to rest. And then after that, we'll be back. We're going to Inverness pala tomorrow. And then after that, we'll come back here, Edinburgh. After 2 days. Ayun, so dami pa na palang gagawin. I'm thinking of vlogging it here then. So anyway, that's it for now, for today, because we're really tired after that long trip. But if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel para mas marami pa tayong lugar na pupuntahan. Okay, sige. That's it for now. We'll head back. I'll go back muna and rest. Yun, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.